Today we have one line, 3mm CZU line under trial testing. This is secondary round. In the secondary round, we have tested the C purling, C channel. For this CZU machine, the mostly will be used for solar mounting system. This is the auto stacker. This is the flying sherry. And let's check the cabinet. And also we have add the monitor into the line. So once the operator is standing in here, we will see all the lines, the parts from decoder, from punch, forming, and the stacker. And this part is uniquely for Z purling adjustment. In this line, we have combined the 18 rolling stands with 6 units of side rollers. And in this machine, to change over from C to Z, we haven't applied traditional overturning. We use kind of the roller, which can be side roller, which can be adjusted up and down by servo motor. This is the most different part. And instead of the looper in the workshop, we put this kind of the tower, high tower in the line. In customer workshop, it will build up the loop or the pit to storage the coil material. And in this line, we have applied 6 units of punching frame with our secondary generation or the latest generation punching die. This is traditional big frame. The good point of this one is powerful, and you can locate it more pores on the dies. And normally it will be used for joint part. And this kind of the punching die is more light and more fast, more flexible. And here is the waste chip collector. So this is the completely line for 3mm CZU line, and the profile will be used for solar mounting system.